All right, welcome back. Now, next question is about light. Penny constructed a periscope so that she could see her toy bear. A, B, C, and D were four positions where the mirrors were placed in the periscope, which two mirrors allowed Penny to see her toy. So, before we do this, again, let's revise. We know that light is a form of energy that help us see the things around us. Uh, Things that give off light are known as sources of light. Now, most of the things around us are not sources of light, but we can still see them because they reflect light. We know that light travels in a straight line, right? Like I said just now, we see objects around us because these things reflect light into our eyes. Now, when light bounces off something, we say that the light is reflected on, from that object. So here we have the question again. Now, Penny constructed a periscope. So, which mirrors would help Penny see? All right. So, we know that Penny can only see the light that is reflected from this mirror. All right. Mirror B will not allow Penny to see anything because mirror B is facing this side. So, whatever the light is reflected onto mirror B will be reflected, not into Penny's eyes. So if Penny can see the light that's reflected from this mirror, that means this light is reflecting light. This mirror is reflecting light from this other mirror, right? So we can see that whatever light that is coming from this area is reflected into Penny's eyes, all right? And therefore, we can see that light that is reflected off the toy bear goes to mirror A and it is reflected onto mirror C and it is reflected onto Penny's eyes. Okay, so remember that light travels in a straight line. When light bounces off an object, it's called reflection. All right, so in this particular case, two mirrors in the periscope allows Penny to see, and that is this what do you call that, the arrows that I've drawn would allow you to use to answer the question. All right, so it's a very simple and yet very common question. Please rewind, revise, replay, whatever they've shown you, so that you would be able to uh, what do you call that, answer similar questions in the future. Okay, very short video for this one because it's quite simple. Thank you.